What happens when two Hollywood stars who once played teenagers in a sitcom find themselves navigating the complexities of adulthood and parenthood. Mila Kunis and Ashton Kutcher, a couple who have captured hearts since their days on that '70s show, recently enjoyed a casual dinner date in Beverly Hills, showcasing their enduring bond. On a lively Friday night, the couple was spotted hand in hand outside Matu Steakhouse, radiating warmth and affection. Mila, dressed in a cozy gray pullover and blue jeans, complimented Ashton's relaxed style, which featured a light gray shirt and a Chicago Bears cap. Their casual attire reflected a couple comfortable in their skin, enjoying a night out with friends. And maybe generally, interestingly, this outing coincided with the release of a trailer for Mila's upcoming film alongside Michael Keaton. In this movie, they portray an estranged father and daughter navigating the challenges of family dynamics. The plot thickens as Keaton's character Andy must care for his twins while seeking help from Grace, played by Kunis, who is expecting her own child. And as they stroll through the bustling streets, one couldn't help but admire how their relationship has evolved since their teenage years on television. They have grown together, now sharing the joys and challenges of raising two children, Wyatt and Dimitri. And now, while enjoying their dinner, the couple faced some scrutiny regarding Ashton's recent comments about AI in filmmaking. He suggested that technology could revolutionize the industry, allowing anyone to create a film with ease. This sparked a debate among critics who felt that such ideas undermine the artistry and hard work of filmmakers. And Ashton's vision included using AI tools to streamline production, making it more accessible. He argued that instead of spending thousands on traditional filming methods, filmmakers could harness technology to create stunning visuals at a fraction of the cost. However, many in the industry voiced their concerns, emphasizing the importance of human creativity in storytelling. In the midst of this discussion, it's worth taking a moment to appreciate the couple's journey. From young co-stars to devoted parents, their story is a testament to love and resilience. If you enjoy following their adventures, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button. As the evening unfolded, the couple's laughter echoed through the restaurant, reminding everyone that even amidst challenges, joy can be found. After all, they say love is like a good movie, full of unexpected twists and turns. So why did the actor bring a ladder to the bar? Because he heard the drinks were on the house. And the drinks, and with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you